The German company has officially presented to the public the serial version of the Mercedes-AMG 2022 model year electric liftback, which in Europe has long been called the most anticipated novelty on the electric car market. The first prototype of this model, capable of moving on highways, was demonstrated back in 2019, and during the refinement of the car, almost all its technical nuances were revealed. In fact, the appearance of this car was finally revealed, which, by the way, will turn out to be a 5-meter liftback with a cabin that is not inferior in size to the modern S-Class. Mercedes-AMG 2022 is a completely new car designed from scratch on the latest modular electric architecture platform. The German liftback will be the firstborn of this modular trolley, which means it will demonstrate the minimum technological level that future flagship electric crossovers will offer. The peculiarity of the platform is the traction batteries built into its supporting structure, which, thanks to the large wheelbase, turned out to be quite thin. The electrical system itself is not the most powerful one on the market, -400 volts, but at the start of sales, buyers will be offered rear and all-wheel drive modifications of cars with 2 batteries to choose from. Talking about the body of their new product, German designers focus not on the conciseness of its design, characteristic of most green cars, but on the low coefficient of aerodynamic drag. It is expected that with CD equals 0.2, the Mercedes-AMG 2022 will become a record holder in its class, although for such an achievement, the developers had to give preference to the wedge-shaped silhouette of the body, which is uncharacteristic for modern models of the brand, and hide the door handles. Of course, this alone was not enough to set a record, so the liftback has a perfectly smooth bottom and special aerodynamic wheels. The Germans revealed the main trick of the interior of this electric car just a few months ago. It will be the already widely advertised MBUX Hyperscreen panel, which consists of 3 connected displays occupying almost the entire width of the front panel. The 12.3 dashboard screen, a 17 central touchscreen and a 12.3 monitor in front of the front passenger are all combined into a single cluster and decorated with contour lighting. Interestingly, in the absence of a front passenger, the right display will display a neutral screensaver, as if there is simply no screen in this place. Manages this entire advanced system of 24GB RAM touch monitors, but Mercedes have already stressed that this design of the front console will be optional. In the base, the electric car will receive a panel version from the current S-Class with a digital dashboard and a 12.8 vertical multimedia system tablet. The developers so far give only the maximum mileage limit when using the most powerful battery, 770 km. The watt-teeth loop. In fact, the figures are likely to be different, but Mercedes plans to bypass all possible competitors, including the Tesla Model S and Lucid Air, in terms of autonomous driving range. The new Mercedes-AMG 53 4MATIC is the first production electric car of the AM division. Its power reaches 658 AP and 950 UX-eco. The first 100 sports electric car gains in 3.8 seconds, and if you buy the AM Dynamic Plus package, which can briefly increase the power to 761 AP and 1020 UX-eco, in race mode, you can accelerate in 3.4 seconds. AM version power reserve, 526 km. If you liked the video, you can always support me with a subscription or a like. Thank you and see you tomorrow.